Today's a WFA weather alert day, and it's in place until 7 this evening. It's because of that dangerous heat, the high humidity that leads to heat index values of 105 or higher. What you need to do is what we've been telling you to do. Limit your time outdoors, take breaks if you can't, hydrate properly, wear SPF, and of course, always check the back seat. The eastern half of North Texas is under that heat advisory until 7. This does include Tarrant and Dallas County for, again, heat index values of 105 or higher. In addition to that, we're also watching showers and thunderstorms. These are digging in from Oklahoma. Nothing severe, not expecting anything severe, but a good downpour here and there is not being ruled out at this point. Right now, that rain extends from Paris to Clarksville into Mount Pleasant, with a few lightning strikes just to the northeast of Mount Pleasant. A little bit of activity tried to make it into Denton and Collin County overnight, but a lot of that has fizzled out. And we'll notice that today. You'll notice these storms kind of moving south into the area, and they'll tend to weaken as they do. But some additional activity will be likely along outflows, especially in the afternoon hours. This is where we could see an isolated storm or two that contains up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The threat for severe weather is incredibly low. DFW not included in this, but the southern third of North Texas is. So let's talk about the timing. This is what it looks like right now. As we approach, say, 9 in the morning, you'll see a little bit more of that activity closer towards the Metroplex. So between 7 to 9, we'll see a bit more of that coverage, especially across our western counties. About 30% coverage for the morning. Around midday, a lot of this stuff will be hanging out along the western half of the area. And then for the afternoon, we'll see a little bit more activity south of DFW, but only about 20% coverage. So as we progress in the day, our coverage is going to get lower. We could also see a few isolated thunderstorms tomorrow. Only 10% coverage there. 83 degrees right now at DFW, but it feels like 86 under a partly cloudy sky. Those temperatures are going to continue to drop a few more degrees before we see that gradual climb. We make it to 97 degrees around 4, 20% coverage of rain. The heat index 106. So a high temperature near 98 in Fort Worth, 96 and Denton, 97 in McKinney. But those locations this afternoon that had the highest potential to see some of those scattered showers and thunderstorms, that's where we have our coolest temperatures of the afternoon. And everyone cooler tomorrow with highs only in the mid 90s, about 10% coverage of rain, 95 degrees on Friday. Mid 90s for Saturday, 97 on Sunday. Next week, not looking as hot. I have a lot of low 90s, even an 89-degree day thrown in there. And Labor Day weekend, as of now, does look hot with the high humidity, highs in the mid 90s. Small opportunity for an afternoon shower or storm. Station?
All right, thanks, Maria.